Hey, it's Ben. I've got this Halloween decoration glowing chain. The company sent this to me to check out, so let's talk about it. So opening the box here, the chain is here and ready to go. You can see the chain itself is a purple color even without the lights on. Here's the control module, which is wired to the chain and has a single mode button and an on-off button. Upon testing the lights, they did come right on, so you know that there's a charge. Um, these are already charged a bit when they arrive. Clicking the mode button will cycle the lights through the 8 different display settings. What is nice about this is that it is powered by an internal rechargeable battery and it is fully solar powered. So the solar cell will recharge the chain during the day so that it's ready to go at night. A plastic stake comes with this so you can position the solar panel where you need to and just stick it down in your yard. There is a good length of wire here. It's all wound up here, but it gives you a little leeway in where you place the solar panel in regard to where you place the chain light. So here's how the light looks in the dark. I think it's a great color. And immediately though, my one complaint is that you can see the individual lights through the plastic. Would be nice if the plastic was a little more translucent to hide that, but it still gives a really neat effect. Here you can see a few of the different blinking patterns. So I think this will make a great addition to your Halloween decorations, whether you use them indoors or outdoors. Since they're powered by the battery, you can place them virtually anywhere you want without needing to mess with extension cords. And they are said to be waterproof, although I didn't test that out yet. There are no hooks or anything like that for hanging, but since they are chain links, you can just drape them or just hook them into anything that fits into the chain link. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.